Are you getting the call failed error on your iPhone 17 Pro Max? Let's solve this problem step by step. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Turn off your iPhone. Then turn it on after 30 seconds. Press and hold the volume down button and the side button together. Step 3. Reset network settings. Step 3. Remove the SIM card and clean it with a rubber or eraser. Hopefully, the call failed issue on your phone will be resolved. If the problem is still not resolved, please contact customer care.